Well, tomorrow I plan on installing a window into the shed. So it's nice and cool right now. In fact, it's actually fairly chilly. So I'm going to kind of prep things and get ready for the job. So I've got all this foam board that I bought for insulation. See if I can get a good shot of all this. We got the window there and all that, so I've got to make room to be able to do work. Excuse me. It's pretty funny when you're out by yourself and you still say excuse me when you sneeze. Wow, I actually would like a campfire tonight. It's pretty chilly. Odd. So tomorrow, we'll be cutting 2x4s and framing a window. In the meantime, I brought out my backup generator to charge up my batteries for, let's see if I can get this. Yeah, the backup generator to charge up the power tools so I can cut things like the 2x4 and we'll have some fun tomorrow. Have a good night. Alright, so I've got the little generator running. It's running off of propane. Charging up the power tools. Golden. Step one is complete. So it's really dark in here, by the way. But anyway, I measured out where I'm going to have my cabinets and figure out where the center of my window is going to be. Decided to use this existing stud as my left-hand king stud. And I just cut out the 2x4 that's in my way of putting the window. So I'll be framing right in this section. All right, here we are. Got the rough opening for the window in. Got the double top plate and the windowsill and cripplers and Now I'm going to brave to cut open that opening because the bugs are out. But I brought a trash bag and some duct tape so I can cover up that hole super fast. I hope. But making progress. Wow, check out the difference. So I just cut open the rough opening and immediately threw up the trash bags to keep the bugs out because I know I'll be working out there for just a bit. And the bugs are so bad, I know darn well, like if I left that open for more than 20 seconds, this room would be filled. So, put a bug barrier up. That should work. Now I'll go outside and put the window in. So here's the outside looking in. I got the trash bags there to keep the bugs out while I do the flashing and caulking and all that. But that's the rough opening. So kind of looking at it from back, that will essentially be right about the center of where I plan to have a sink. So there we go. Excited. All right, folks, we have a window. It's secured in there and plumbing level, and oh, this is going to be awesome. Here we are inside and got the window in. I'm going to go around and silicone everything, make it watertight. But we have light in here now. Like, oh my gosh, there's actually light in here.